Welcome to BCTV, and I just want to ask you guys if you'll subscribe to me before we watch this video. It helps me out a lot. I'm a small YouTuber that wants to gain big, so eventually we'll be able to have fan mail. So I just want to see if you guys will follow me, subscribe to me, and it really helps. So I appreciate it. Thanks. Hello YouTube. Welcome to Indiana, where one day it rains and there's 50+ degrees, and the next day it snows and there's a couple inches of snow on the ground and still falling. We're supposed to get a lot of snow. So stay in, stay safe, and have a good day. What we do when they cancel work? Bottoms up.